Look at Mom go. Watch out, Jane. Look at Mom go. That's gonna be your job soon, Jane.
Drive for the ants.
Watch out, Jax.
Drive for the ants. Go, 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 go.
Not as easy as it looks playing Frogger, huh?
What?
You're doing a great job. I'm proud of you.
About over it though.
Yeah. You want me to do the rest? Okay.
Good morning, guys. It is Sunday and we are getting ready for Hurricane Irma. Thankfully, she has moved to the west. Thankfully for us, obviously Florida and everyone else in their path, it's gonna be really bad. And so all those people, and if you guys are watching, you guys are in our prayers for sure. I know we're scared and we're not even really in the cone anymore. But we're definitely gonna be either getting Category 1 or even tropical storm force winds and stuff like that tonight and all day tomorrow. So we're gonna be vlogging just to kind of show you guys our experience. But right now we're actually trying to get ready. I'm wearing my Redskins for today. Hi, Piper. It's a monkey. As you guys know, we came home 2 days early from our Florida trip, and ever since we've gotten home, we've just kind of been getting prepared for that. So we also had a terrible experience with Piper yesterday. I'll show you guys about that in a second. Just everything's really happening right now. But we have all of our furniture from outside, inside. So our patio is cleared out. We moved our grill, you can see it, up against the wall. And we've kind of just moved everything. And then, I think I've told you guys before, but our garage floods. Pretty much every time it rains, like a hard rain, it'll flood. We've had some bad drainage issues over here on this side of the house. We have this little courtyard area and it slopes down right here. And you see like this mulch and stuff. We just have to redo it. We haven't redone it yet. And so the water kind of collects right there and sits right there. You mean put this Darth Vader? Oop, oop, oop. Our garage will flood. Like it's not even a question. Our garage is gonna flood. So we have been preparing in here too. Luckily, we have this new boat that we're gonna be using for like duck season and stuff. And we've literally put all of our stuff that was on the floor in there. The kids' shoes, we usually have their little shoe station right here with this rug. We've kind of just put everything there. We're gonna leave the doors cracked so that the water can come out. And then hopefully our bikes and strollers and stuff won't get ruined. I don't think they will, but you never know. And if that's the worst that we get, then we'll be fine. I think our main concern is tornadoes, or my main concern is tornadoes. There's an 80% chance that we'll have tornadoes. So we're just gonna be ready for that. We have a place to go in our house to cover ourselves, and we're just gonna hope for the best, I guess. So we are also preparing to have power outages, and so we're trying to figure out food-wise. So Chris decided to cook a turkey. Can I open this oven? It smells so good in here. Can I open the oven?
Yeah.
There's the turkey. I don't know what that noise was. We have rolls and stuff for turkey sandwiches. And we have our cooler in case we need to put stuff from the refrigerator in there. We have tons of soups and canned goods and stuff like that, snacks. And then we also have our cooker that goes with propane, so we can have like boiling water on that to make macaroni and cheese, to make grilled cheeses. And then if for some reason, my dad's also cooking a turkey and bringing it over here. So we're gonna have lots of turkey to eat. And if for some reason we're thinking the turkey goes bad, if the refrigerator is not working, then we can boil a big pot of water or stock or something, and we have stuff to make turkey noodle soup, which we'll probably do anyways because we'll have a lot of turkey. So anyways, that's our plan. We're getting ready today. The worst weather is gonna be early tomorrow morning and like tonight and stuff. So today is gonna be pretty easy. We probably won't vlog too much today because we're just getting everything ready, so. The rain has begun. It's just been steady for about an hour. And it's cold and windy out. But we'll keep you guys updated. I was thinking about putting out like a bowl or something so we can measure how many inches, but we don't have like an actual inch, like you can't just do like a random bowl. It doesn't work like that. So anyways, the rain is coming down. Our turkey is almost done. My parents are coming over for a little bit before the winds get too bad to watch some football, as long as we have power, so. Plan. So we blew up the blow-up mattress, and Jackson and Jane are gonna sleep in our room. They've never slept together before, so I hope that turns out okay. The reason why I'm having them sleep in our room, number one is Jane, even if it's raining outside, Jane's like terrified to sleep by herself if it's raining. So obviously with a hurricane coming, she's gonna be in our bed anyways. And then Jackson is the only one that's up on the second floor, and I'm a little bit worried about tornadoes. And so if we get like a tornado warning or even a watch, I would kind of want him to be near me. And the only place, we have two places to go if there's a tornado. One is our craft closet right here, and the other one is our bathroom toilet room. We have like a separate toilet room. So I would just feel more comfortable with him being closer than like upstairs by himself. We have to like run up and go get him. Piper is in her own room tonight, but she does not sleep well in a room with everybody else. And also I can run and go get her. She's not like on a different floor or whatnot. All right, we are gonna call it a night. Normally I would just end the vlog, but I kind of want to keep this like hurricane vlog all in one. So we will see you when we wake up. Or maybe I'll pick up the vlog in the middle of the night if it gets super bad. River's also really scared of storms, so we're a little bit worried about him, but. Good morning, guys. It is 8:30. Jackson, say hi.
Hi. Today and cookie store.
We're going to the cookie store today.
Cookie store day.
No.
Cookies day.
He's wearing Jane's shirt, if you're wondering. It's a girl shirt. It is getting pretty bad outside. I have to let River out to go to the bathroom. It is super windy and raining. Yeah, this hurricane is going so slow. We all slept great. I never woke up once. There hasn't really been any like super bad storms yet, like thunder and lightning or anything like that. I think we're gonna be getting that later today. But like I said, the storm is moving so slow. Originally we were supposed to have the worst weather like right now, but now I don't think we're supposed to get really bad until like noon or lunchtime. So we will keep you guys updated. Oops, my lens. I'm gonna take you guys out there with me to let River out to go potty. Hopefully we don't get blown away. But the whole floor in here is soaking wet. That's how you know the wind has been blowing a lot. River, you have to go quickly. Oh, wait. All right, go, quickly. Quickly, bud. Quickly, bud. Oh my gosh. I would try to show you our big trees. Like way, not that tree, but like, do you see those trees in the distance? Oh, I don't want to get wet. Jackson, stay right there, buddy. All right, come on, bud. Oh, I'm getting wet. Our garage hasn't flooded yet, which is good. But I think it's supposed to be a steady rain like this all day. So come on, River. Come on, Jackson. Come on. Okay, I told you guys that Piper had an incident. And so I'm going to show you. My mom and I were outside with the kids because we knew we'd be cooped up for a few days. 2 days ago, and we were all, my mom and I were in the yard talking, and the kids were running around on the golf course. My mom was actually playing soccer and stuff with Jane too, but my mom and I had stopped to have a conversation, and all of a sudden Jackson and Piper were just sitting on the golf course, and Jane said, "There's ants all over them." And I was like, "What? There's no ant piles like on the golf course." So all of that. And then there's a little bit on this hand. They're actually looking better today, to be honest. They're like all over her feet. And a little bit on this leg. But it's bad up in here. Alright guys, the side of our house is already a lake. I don't know if you can see very good, but Jane, don't stand on that, please. That is about like 2 inches of water. You can see right down there next to the house. That's all water.
Mom, I found the mirror.
On the mirror? Wow. And our garage is now officially starting to flood. So this is where it starts. All in that courtyard area that I just showed you. It backs up and then floods here. Thankfully, we have our garage doors open, so it's all pouring out. All right, it is the kids' nap time. And we are looking actually better here. I think we're gonna have like one more huge band of rain coming, so we're not out of the clear yet, but the garage is drying up a tiny, tiny bit. It was all over here, but you can see it's dried up at least a little bit. My parents have actually been out of power since 4 a.m. and it was like a little bit too dangerous for them to try to get over here, even though they only live like 5 minutes away. So we are hoping that in a little bit, if they still don't have power, that they'll be able to make their way over here, or Chris might go get them since Chris has a truck. We've just been watching the news all day. News/weather. I think I'm actually gonna take a little bit of a rest here in a minute. But things are looking better and the rain has been clearing up. I know I just showed you guys a shot of this area that was totally full of water, so it is draining out like it is supposed to. So that is all great news. We are actually in a tornado warning right now, or tornado watch, so we are on our toes about that and leaving the news on just in case. But That's a little update. I'm getting ready to wake up Jackson. I already woke up Jackson and Piper. And the sun is out. Well, the blue sky is out, look. Yay! That is a sight to see, that's for sure. There's even a guy riding his bike around. We haven't been out, but we've been watching the news and stuff. It seems like, at least in our area, is not too much damage, just a ton of flooding from the high tide came in, and the storm surge from the hurricane came in all at the same time. And we had an extra high tide because of the full moon. So a lot of places, like in Charleston and stuff, are really, really bad. Beaufort, where Mimi and Papa's beach house is pretty bad too. I did want to mention that my brother is a fireman, so he has been on shift for a few days now, and I'm just really proud of all of what he does and how he keeps everyone safe here. And had to sleep on a recliner last night, or try to sleep on a recliner in between calls and stuff like that. And he's just very brave, and I'm just, like I said, I'm a proud big sister. So wanted to mention that. And I think my parents are still going to possibly come over because they still don't have power, and we're not sure when their power is coming back on. But for the most part, we're doing good. Just wanted to check in with you guys. Probably going to end the vlog soon, but I'm going to go wake up Piper.
So guys, I want to tell you something really, really important.
Hurricane Irma, it will reopen
Please be safe. I'll show you outside. This is what our porch looks like. Do you see this bug? Hi, little bug. I blowed it away.
What?
Piper just woke up. Say hi. She's riding. You want to say hi, Jackson? Hi. Can you give them a kiss? Can you give them a kiss?
Alright, I think that's good.
No.
Look, the battery's dying. The battery's dying. Say,
Well,
tell 'em
you're... Bye. Bye.
Alright. We are taking a little walk to get some fresh air. Still under a tornado watch, so we're being careful. And here comes a car, both ways. Anyways, as you can see, there's lots of branches and stuff down. I'm losing battery, and we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog. I just wanted to show you guys we have made it outside. It is not raining anymore, but it is still pretty windy. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. We are safe and sound. I'm still praying for everybody else that's not in Florida and Georgia and all those places that people have been affected. But we will see you guys in our next video, and thanks for watching.